I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can share TikTok videos on Facebook. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about TikTok. TikTok is an app where you can create videos easily, join daily live streams, and find new creators. Now open up TikTok app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged in to your account. Then tap on your profile icon, which is on bottom right of your screen. Here you'll see all the videos that you have posted till date. Select the video that you want to share on Facebook. After you have selected the video, tap on the three-dot menu icon, which is on your right hand side. A pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Under Share To, there you'll see the option of Facebook. Tap on it. Now it will take few seconds to save the video. You can also add stickers, add text, draw, add effects, trim, make the video as boomerang, and tag people. After you are done, tap on Share, which is on bottom right of your screen. This way you can share your TikTok videos on Facebook. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.